In today's video, I am going to teach you how to run onboarding in Notion. To get started, open Notion and go to the Getting Started page. This is a good place to begin because it gives you quick access to Notion features and recommended tools. Once you are there, look for the option called Explore and click it. Explore is where Notion helps you discover templates, workflows, and helpful resources that you can add to your workspace without building everything from scratch. After you click Explore, you will be taken into the Marketplace area. In the search field, type the word Highlight. As you type, you should see results begin to appear. Click on the result that matches Highlight. This will open a page that features a highlighted option you can use as part of an onboarding setup. On that page, click Explore again. This is where you can review what the option offers and understand how it can support onboarding. The key idea here is that you are browsing a ready-made solution you can adapt, instead of creating an onboarding flow manually. Take a moment to scan the description so you know what it is designed to help with before moving on. Next, go back to the Marketplace search field and type Highlight again. This second search is used to find a specific onboarding template. Once the results load, find and click New Hire Onboarding. This template is designed for bringing new team members in smoothly by organizing tasks, resources, and key information in one place. When the New Hire Onboarding template page opens, click Add. Adding the template brings it into your Notion workspace, so you can start using it immediately. After you click Add, you will see an option related to members, shown as One Member. Click One Member to continue through the setup, and make sure the template is configured for your workspace. Finally, click See Template. This opens the full template, so you can view the layout and confirm it is ready to use. From here, you can begin running onboarding by using the template as your central hub for each new hire. That covers everything you need to know.